What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. As you can tell from the title of today's video, we are finally getting back to work on the E30 project. If you guys have been keeping up with the build, you guys know that in the last video on this build, we actually went ahead and painted all the jams and engine bay and the trunk area. So there is paint finally on the car, and I've been letting the paint cure for the past week just so we won't have any issues when throwing all these parts back on. But yeah, in today's video, that's actually what we're going to be doing. We're going to be throwing all the parts that we painted the jams on back onto the car. That way we could get the car sanded and painted in today's video. By the end of the video, you guys should see the entire car painted, which I'm very excited about. Honestly, that's probably like a week or two from today, but that's probably like a minute or two for you guys. So yeah, I can't wait to see what it's gonna look like. But in the meantime, we have to get all these parts back onto the car. Let me just go ahead and show you guys how good this engine bay and this paint job came out. I spent so much time on this shaved engine bay. I probably spent like 50 or 60 hours just sanding and shaving and all kinds of stuff just on this engine bay, and it's finally good to go. Just look how good that looks. On camera, this color looks really bright, like I always say, but it's really not that bright. I need to fix my camera settings or something because it is not that bright. But yeah, guys, this thing looks so freaking good. All the jams on the fenders look good. Don't worry about this stuff that's on the hood. That's all gonna get covered. So those triangles have like foam pieces that go in there that gets it all covered. Then we got the door jams. Door jams are looking good. Trunk jam. But yeah, everything looks so good, and I can't wait for this thing to start coming back together. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start throwing all these parts back onto the car, and then I will get back to you guys. Hey guys, I want to take a quick minute of your time to thank the sponsor of today's video, and that is Simply Carbon Fiber. If you guys have been watching the channel for a while, you guys definitely know who Simply Carbon Fiber is. But if you haven't, it's basically in their name. They are a carbon fiber company. They make a bunch of awesome accessories, like for your phone. They make phone cases, Apple AirPod cases. They make some cool wallets, sunglasses, and all kinds of cool stuff. They actually sent me out this really cool carbon fiber wallet right here. I don't know how well you guys can tell, but I use this thing every single day. It's really small, nimble, and you won't have to fill your pockets with a huge freaking wallet. It's really awesome. It's got a really cool money clip in the back to clip all your money, and it's got a really cool card holder right here, which stores all your cards perfectly. But they have a bunch of things on their website, so make sure you guys check them out. I will have the link down below. So make sure you guys go to the description, hit that link, go to their website, maybe you'll find something you'll like. So as always, thank you Simply Carbon Fiber for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to the video. Alright guys, I finally got all the body parts back onto the car. Got the hood on with the hinges and everything, both fenders, both front doors, and also the trunk as well. So all the main parts that need to be on are on. I was debating on putting the front valence on, but I went ahead and just left it off. It'll probably be easier to paint as well. And the bumpers are also going to stay off because you have to paint those off the car. Side skirts as well, but I actually have to drill the mounting holes for the side skirts, which is kind of an annoying process because the side skirts sit like right here, and I have to drill the holes and make sure the holes are in the perfect spot. So that's actually what I'm gonna start doing next, along with this trunk spoiler. I showed this trunk spoiler before. It's an MTech 1 spoiler, so I actually have to get this mounted onto the trunk as well and drill the holes into the trunk because I haven't done that yet either. So yeah, without further ado, let me go ahead and get those things mounted up before I move on to sanding the rest of the car and getting it ready for paint. after days of sanding. The E30 is finally prepped and ready to go. Everything is sanded, everything is cleaned up. Tomorrow is paint day, and the only thing I have left to do is to throw all these parts that we got all sanded up into the car. We got to fit everything inside the car. That way we could get everything all together to the shop tomorrow so we could get the car painted. Tomorrow is going to be a big day for this build, so I will catch you guys in the morning when I get the car loaded up on the trailer. Car is strapped up and on the trailer, guys. Now it's time to head to Diamond Auto Body, where we're going to be getting this thing painted. Arm, guess what's back, Arm?
Back at it again?
Arm, back at it again, Arm. You can't tell from the smile on his face, but he hates me right now. He is tired of my shit already.
No, we're not, bro. We're not.
You sure about that?
I don't know.
Guys, we're back at Diamond for hopefully the last time, because I know Armand's tired of my shit. He's tired of painting our cars. But we got the car in the booth already. We're gonna start masking it up and then put all those parts into the booth, get it all settled in here so Armand can start painting. So let's get this car all masked up and ready to go. Alright guys, car is all masked up and ready to go. All the parts are in here. I guess Armand's taking it upon himself to put some flames on this. You know what this is? This is fire. This is fire.
Fire.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie though, Arm. You suck at doing flames. What the fuck is this, Arm? You suck at doing flames, Arm.
Look at my fucking lines, bro.
This is the worst. This won't even burn you if this was a flame.
This one was fucked up, bro. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Let me fix
You gotta
this shit.
fix that. This shit's fire though.
They should just.
We gotta do it on the fenders too. You wasted so much tape. He's just over here wasting material like it's no tomorrow. You know, Arm, this is a joke to you. But I would have been down. Joke's on you. What do you guys think? Should we have left the flames? So if you guys are in need of any flame paint jobs, make sure you guys let me know. We got the master of flames here. But yeah, guys. Car is all masked up, ready to go. All the parts are inside the booth. Now all Armand has to do is give the entire car a quick wipe down, and then he just has to mix up the paint, which should be sitting in this room, which is already ready to go, it seems like. I think he's gonna go over it with like a sealer coat, like a gray sealer. That way everything is like one single color, and then he's gonna lay the red base coat on, which will make the biggest difference. You guys will see in the next few clips. Guys, the base coat is finally on. This is the red color that it's gonna be. This red is actually called San Marino red. I don't know if I've mentioned that before. He actually did a lot of steps. He went over it with like a gray sealer coat. He went over it with like a base red color. That way he doesn't use too much of the San Marino. He went 2 coats with that base red color, and he went 2 coats of the San Marino red. So that's literally 5 coats of paint already on the car. And he's probably gonna go another 2 or 3 coats, I don't know yet what exactly he's gonna do, of the clear coat. So clear coat step is next. Car seems like it's coming out really good. So fingers crossed, everything looks good, and I will show you guys towards the end. So let's see how that clear coat goes on. Guys, the car is all done. Finally good to go. We let it bake inside the paint booth for a little while. But just check out how good this car came out, guys. Now we're gonna go ahead, fit all the parts in the cars, and then get this car back to the shop. I will give you guys a better look at it then. Alright guys, we are back at the shop. Car is finally done. This thing looks so good. This camera does not do this color justice. I know I say that every time, but it really doesn't. This color is really dark. It just looks really bright on camera. I hate how the camera does that. Bodywork came out really good. I don't see any dents or anything like that anywhere. So if you guys see any, point it out. Keep in mind, I sanded this car like 3 times. I sanded it the first time, which was on the original paint. And then I primered it and sanded it again. And then primered it one more time and sanded it for the final time. So this car was sanded and blocked. It was block sanded 3 times, which for those who don't know, that is a lot of work. I don't know if you guys remember, but I changed out this quarter panel. That's looking really good. I spliced it from right here, so it was spliced from right here. Can't even tell that was there. And I spliced it from right here. Can't tell that was there either. I can't believe the car is finally painted. I knew that if I got the car painted, it would give me more motivation to get it done. Before I end this video, I'm gonna give you guys a quick little cinematic montage thing, just so you guys can see how well this car came out. So enjoy. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that little cinematic montage. In the next few videos, I might start off by putting a few things back together on the car, but I'll see how it goes. I don't know yet. Still debating on it. I want to let it dry really good before putting anything onto the car. But just expect new videos coming soon. A lot of new videos coming soon, because I have to throw that engine together, put all the body parts back on. There's just so much to do to this car. So make sure you guys stay tuned for those videos to come. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below what you guys think of the color. Do you guys think it's nice on this car? I personally love it. Make sure to hit that like button as always, and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.